Hi, 8th grade students. This is Mr. Alford, and I am making a quick video to explain to you what's going to happen starting Monday, April 13th. That's not next Monday, but the Monday after. Okay. Starting next Monday, we have 1 week of spring break, but the Monday after that, Monday, April 13th, we are going to start a new way of doing digital learning. Okay. Um, This is what we're going to try. At least the school as a whole is going to try this whole thing for a week. And after that week, the school will notify families with a phone call or an email or posting online if any minor adjustments need to be made to the schedule. Okay. Now, this is the ideas. We're going to be doing this starting, the week after spring break, all the way up until the end of this school year. If you guys didn't know already, you probably do, but in case you didn't know, the governor announced that we will not be going back physically to school for the rest of this school year. All school is going to be online for the rest of the school year. That's until I think April 20th is the last, May 20th, I think is the last day. I'm not sure. I'm going to be honest, I'm really going to miss you, 8th grade students. This has been a really awesome year for me. I've really, really enjoyed being with you, 8th grade students. I'm going to miss you guys for sure. Please feel free to visit me. Next school year. Of course, you'll be in high school, but if you want to drop by the middle school and visit any of your teachers, including me, feel free to do so. All right, let me explain what we're going to do starting Monday. Again, this is all starting Monday, April 13th, okay? Not next Monday, but the Monday after. Well, Monday, you're going to be having your language arts or foreign reading or foreign language class. And you can, basically that's a day where you're going to be doing things for language arts and for reading or foreign language. For 8th graders, for language arts, you're going to be doing that stuff during noon. And then for your reading or foreign language class, you are going to be doing your thing at 12:30, okay? Then Tuesday, which would be Tuesday, April 14th, yeah, Tuesday, April 14th, okay? We're going to be, and every Tuesday, basically, Tuesday is always going to be your math day. Again, none of this is going to be happening during spring break. This is after spring break. Tuesday will always be math day, okay? We're going to be having 25 to 40 minutes of a math virtual instruction. It means I'm going to do a live digital lesson. 10 minutes, yeah. So it's always going to be at noon, okay? It's going to be at noon. So about 11:50 a.m. on that Tuesday, I will post something on our Google Classroom, and that will be the code for you to get into the digital classroom. You'll just click on that code, and instantly you'll be in the classroom. I'll be doing problems on the computer. These will be and it'll be just like a digital classroom, and that'll be for anywhere between 25 and 40 minutes. Just I want you to, and I can't really force you to come. I totally know that. You basically come. You should come because you know that it's going to help you with all the other math assignments that I give you that week, obviously. So 25 to 40 minutes of a math lesson. And then on that same day, I will give you a math assignment that will last up to 60 minutes, okay? So Tuesday, there is going to be 25 starting at noon. we're going to have a 25 to 40-minute lesson. You will, at 11:50 a.m. on Google Classroom that Tuesday, you will see the link posted here. Then after that lesson, you can do your math assignment. That's going to be a classwork grade. Also, there will be some homework every week. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I will give you a homework assignment. And the homework assignment will be 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. So to summarize, we are going to every Tuesday have at noon a lesson. Right after that, you will work on a math assignment that will be up to 60 minutes. That will be a classwork grade. So one lesson, one classwork grade. Okay. Every week, one lesson, one classwork grade, and 2 homework grades. That is it. Email me or call me if you have questions. Good luck, guys.